Angular velocity. Angular velocity is a measure of how rapidly and in what direction an extended object rotates. Angular speed is the scalar quantity. It's just the magnitude of angular velocity. Angular velocity is represented with omega, saggy butt cheeks, which is the same thing as taking your linear speed and wrapping it around a circle or putting it over a circle. So v over r. Also equals the change in angular displacement over your change in time. The speed of a point on a rotating extended object depends on the point's distance from the rotation axis and the extended object's angular speed. The rotational inertia of a rigid body depends on the rigid body's mass and how that mass is distributed relative to the rigid body's rotation axis. I equals the sum of mr squared, or it equals k times mr squared, where k is a shape constant already summing together all of the mr squareds. M is the mass and r is the distance from the axis of rotation. The rotational kinetic energy of a rigid body spinning around an axis depends on its angular speed and its rotational inertia for that axis. Rotational kinetic energy equals 1/2 I omega squared.